We're starting off with a story that's been making waves in the financial sector. J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon has been sounding the alarm on the potential for an economic downturn, citing rising interest rates and inflation as major concerns. This comes as no surprise given the current state of the global economy. However, it's essential to consider multiple perspectives and not jump to conclusions. According to a report by the Wall Street Journal, Dimon warned that the U.S. economy is facing significant challenges, including the impact of higher interest rates on consumer spending and business investment. On the other hand, some experts argue that the economy is still strong, with low unemployment rates and steady growth in certain sectors. It's also worth noting that other major banks, such as Citigroup and Morgan Stanley, have expressed similar concerns about the economic outlook. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York has reported a decline in consumer spending, which could be an indicator of a broader slowdown. As investors, it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. Diversifying your portfolio, investing in assets like gold or real estate, and staying up to date with the latest news and trends can help you navigate these uncertain times. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide you with balanced analysis and insights to help you make the best decisions for your financial future. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We are continuing our discussion on the latest market trends and economic updates. Let's dive into our middle segment, where we'll be exploring the current state of the Indian rupee and its vulnerability to external factors. As we've been following, the Indian rupee has been experiencing a significant slide against the US dollar, hovering near record lows. This is largely attributed to the country's reliance on imported energy and the ripple effect it has on the broader economy. The recent jump in crude oil prices has only exacerbated the situation, prompting analysts to predict fresh lows for the rupee. The Reserve Bank of India has been attempting to intervene and support the currency, but its efforts may be limited due to the depletion of its foreign exchange reserves in recent years. Additionally, the central bank's plan to attract foreign capital through deposits from its diaspora community may only provide temporary relief. It's essential to consider the impact of external factors, such as the US-Iran conflict and potential rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve, on the Indian economy and the rupee's value. The lack of investment opportunities linked to the artificial intelligence boom in Indian equities may also deter foreign investors, further contributing to the currency's weakness. As we analyze the situation, it's clear that the Indian rupee's challenges are multifaceted and require a comprehensive approach to address. While the government and central bank are taking steps to mitigate the effects, it's crucial for investors and market participants to remain vigilant and adapt to the evolving economic landscape. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're closing out today's show with a look at the current state of the global markets. Tensions between the US and Iran have been escalating, and it's having a significant impact on investor sentiment. Recent comments from President Trump have sparked losses in the stock market, with Dow Jones futures taking a hit. The situation is being closely watched by investors, as any further escalation could lead to increased volatility in the markets. The price of oil has already begun to rise, which could have far-reaching consequences for the global economy. Additionally, tech stocks such as SpaceX and Tesla, led by Elon Musk, have also taken a tumble. It's essential for investors to remain cautious and informed during these uncertain times. The U.S. plans to impose a 100% tariff on generic drugs imported from certain countries, which could lead to higher healthcare costs for consumers. On the other hand, companies like Nvidia and Intel are making strides in the tech industry with new chip designs and plans for job cuts. As we navigate these complex market dynamics, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. The yen has slid past 163 per dollar, testing Japanese authorities' resolve to intervene. Meanwhile, gold and silver have advanced on dip buying, with bullion trading above $4,080 an ounce. As we wrap up today's show, remember that investing always involves risk. It's essential to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed to make the best decisions for your financial future. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.